Good morning. Today is Wednesday, March 12th, 2025. I am here at Lamb's Yacht Center, and this is an inspection video of the Elusive Butterfly. Let's see how long it could be to clean. So the hull itself seems to have really good paint, and the growth is very hairy, but not hard growth. But the running gear has hard growth all over it. So I would say, just based off of the running gear alone, trying to get that as clean as possible would be about 2 hours.